How to turn off active status on Facebook on computer. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off your active status on Facebook using your computer. For that, first of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in fb.com or facebook.com. Now press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. You may also directly open your Facebook application if you have installed it on your device. Now once you open the Facebook application, here ensure that you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the left side, you will need to now click on your messenger icon at the top right. Once you do so, you'll be able to open this chat page. Now here, click on the three dots icon in the top right of your screen, and by doing so, a drop-down menu will appear. Now from this menu, you will need to look for active status option. Once you locate it, simply tap on it and then the pop-up will appear. Now, if your current active status is enabled, you will need to simply tap on the toggle button in order to turn it off. Also, if you would like to customize who can see your status, then you may simply click on this little circle at the right side of these options. Whether you would like to turn on the active status for some people or turn it off for some. Once you click on one of these options, you will need to select the people and then you'll be able to adjust and customize this setting. And if you'd like to turn off your active status completely, then simply click on this toggle button at the right side of the option and then it will be turned off. Once after turning it off, click on the save button in order to save the changes. After that, you will see you have successfully turned off your active status. So this is how you can turn off active status on Facebook on your computer. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.